Joe Biden, born Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., has had a long and eventful life, marked by both personal tragedies and remarkable political achievements. Here's his full life story. Joe Biden was born on November 20, 1942, in Scranton, Pennsylvania, the oldest of 4 siblings. His father, Joseph Biden Sr., worked cleaning furnaces and as a used car salesman, while his mother, Catherine Eugenia Jean Biden, was a homemaker. The family later moved to Delaware when Biden was 10 years old. Biden attended the University of Delaware, where he studied history and political science. He graduated in 1965 and went on to attend Syracuse University College of Law, where he earned his Juris Doctor degree in 1968. After law school, Biden briefly worked at a law firm before entering politics. In 1970, at the age of 29, he was elected to the Newcastle County Council in Delaware, becoming one of the youngest people ever elected to the council. In 1972, tragedy struck when Biden's wife, Nelia, and their 1-year-old daughter, Naomi, were killed in a car accident. His 2 sons, Beau and Hunter, were critically injured, but survived. Despite this devastating loss, Biden decided to continue his political career. Later that year, at the age of 29, Biden was elected to the United States Senate, becoming the 6th youngest senator in American history. He represented Delaware in the Senate for 36 years, from 1973 to 2009. During his time in the Senate, Biden became known for his work on issues such as crime, foreign relations, and civil liberties. He served as chairman or ranking member of several committees, including the Senate Judiciary Committee and the Senate Foreign Relations Committee. Biden ran for president twice before finally winning the Democratic nomination in 2020. He first ran in 1988, but dropped out of the race after a plagiarism scandal. He ran again in 2008, but dropped out early in the primary campaign. However, he was selected by Barack Obama to be his running mate, and together, they won the election. Biden served as Vice President of the United States from 2009 to 2017. In 2020, Biden ran for president for the 3rd time. He won the Democratic nomination and faced incumbent President Donald Trump in the general election. Biden won the election, defeating Trump and becoming the 46th president of the United States. As president, Biden has focused on addressing the COVID-19 pandemic, reviving the economy, combating climate change, and advancing racial equity, among other issues. His presidency has been marked by a mix of challenges and achievements, as he seeks to unite a deeply divided country and move it forward. Throughout his life and career, Joe Biden has faced adversity with resilience and determination. He is widely regarded as a skilled politician and a dedicated public servant who has devoted his life to serving the American people.
Subscribe for more content.